Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I just got a comment on my phone. And I feel like I have to make a video right there on the spot, family, about this comment. Because this person is asking, hey, what am I just asked for money? Where is your video for him begging? So this is my video, family. I'm just going to make it right now, here and now for you, family, because people need to understand Wadamaya is traveling for a meaningful cause. Wadamaya is not begging for his personal use. Wadamaya is not begging to fix his toilet. Wadamaya is not begging to fix the roof over his head. Wadamaya is not begging to do basic things that a man should be doing for himself, family. So I'm just making this video for you, and the name of this person is EDUB1773. 2 minutes ago I got this message, family, and I got to make this video for you guys to let you guys know that Wadamaya is the new Marcus Garvey. Wadamaya is the new Black Star Line ship that Marcus Garvey created and was using to over 6 million. Marcus Garvey is the first African who actually, organize, 6 million people when there was no social media and no internet. And now that's what Wadamaya is doing. There's so many testimonials. People can say that Wadamaya give them the inspiration to come back to Africa, family. So this comment is a stupid comment, and people like this, his mind is small-minded and they don't understand the bigger picture of what Wadamaya is doing, family. So I just want to clarify this, and I hope the person who read this comment can actually learn something and understand that donation is different. A lot of people ask for donation. The politician them do it. Everybody do it, but it's not for your personal use. When you ask for donation for your personal use, it becomes fraud. It becomes fraudulent, family. And that's what they try to do to Marcus Garvey. They actually charge him for fraud, for accepting mail check, for accepting donation to build the Black Star Line, to bring back African people to Africa, family. And this is what they do to all black leaders who try to do something. They try to pin things on them to actually make the reputation bad, family. So I just want to let you guys know, family. I just want to let you guys know that Wadamaya travel, and it's Wadamaya don't, and that's the thing. I don't see how somebody can actually make a comment like this. And it's not like Wadamaya if I beg for donation. He's doing something that is very important by bridging the gap with the Caribbean people and African people. And the words that like he's going to Jamaica, that's very important, because Jamaica is the forefront of everything when it comes on to educating black people and bringing back black people and the black struggle. Jamaica is the forefront. All of the leaders them who fight for freedom and fight for independence come from Jamaica. So I don't see how can you make a comment like this unless maybe you're not from the African nation, and that's the reason why you might make a comment like this, family. So I just want to just clarify this, family, for everybody out there who's saying Wadamaya is begging for donation. It's a meaningful donation, and if I have $1 billion, I'll transfer it to Wadamaya right now and say go and bring back the people, go and educate the people, go and tell the people about Africa, go and let them know that Africa is not what they show on the TV and on the media. Let them know that I am here living a normal life better than how I live in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Because the dollar is through the roof. I can do more with my money here. I can have better food to eat, and I don't have to be walking around shamelessly looking at people looking at me scaredly. I don't have to be walking around looking that the police are going to stop me and things like that. You know what I mean? When police stop you here, they don't terrorize you and tell you, hey boy, get up out of the car. In Jamaica, and police stop you at the worst situation. You know what I mean? Hey boy, come out of the car, even when you're older than them. And you could have been them father. They must say, boy, let me. You know what I mean? You get beaten by police and all of these things. And you know what I mean, worse if you're actually in the States, you may end up get shoot for nothing never serious, you know what I mean. It's like in the West, black people been treated like slave with the police force, family. And everybody know that and see that happening on the internet and all kind of thing, family. So I don't understand when somebody will say something like that. What Wadamaya is doing is meaningful traveling, and he's not traveling around, hanging around in with girls and having motel and behaving all scandalous. He's doing something positive to educate the people mind, to let people know that, you know what I mean, Africa is a promised land, and if you can come back, you should come back. And this is where African people should be coming for vacation. You know, we have so much beaches and nice places, you know what I mean, never beaches, but like when you come on to like everything, you should be coming. You should be coming, family. So I hope that this person who made this comment actually, you know, watch this video. I'm sure you might watch it. No offense or no offended. But I have to actually defend. I have to defend my brother Wadamaya because I love what he's doing. And I remember watching his video in Jamaica, sitting down on the veranda watching his video. And I discovered that, you know, Ghana, you know what I mean, I actually, you know, started to research and learn about Ghana family. And that's when I actually decided to come to Africa. So, you know what I mean, somebody making this comment like that don't even understand and know what they're saying. Wadamaya is changing the world and is changing the narrative about everything when it comes to Africa family. So people are just, you know what I mean, want to let you guys know that you should go and support Wadamaya Travel. Go and donate what you can donate. I am very impressed to see that he do it that way, that it's not true GoFundMe, or it has to do nothing with the people politics. That's Wadamaya is a smart guy. He's intelligent, he's smart. It's not like some other guy who feel like, say, yo, they want to depend on somebody, you know, on a Western world, you know, platform to actually get donation. I am impressed to see that Wadamaya put up something for himself, that the money come directly to him and he don't have to go to a third-party organization to fund his travel. So that's genius, and that's what we talk about. We need people like this who use them brain to think things and know how to beat the system. You know what I mean? Wadamaya know how to beat the system with this, with what he did, family. He actually create this page and you can go on it and you can support him. I know a lot of people is supporting. When I go on it, I'll go and donate something. You know, I haven't got a chance to go on it yet, but I look at the page and I see it. So these are the type of people who want to actually, you know, inspire our people. And, you know, seeing comment like this is very distasteful. And it's not nice to see someone make a comment like this and see what Wadamaya is different. What Wadamaya is doing is different from all these other YouTubers. All these other YouTubers are in this for the money. Wadamaya is in this for the passion that he have for Africa. He's not in it for the money. And when you're not in something for the money, your blessing is 1,000,000 times more. And that's the reason why he can do what he do. And that's the reason why he has 1,000,000 followers, family. Because why? He's not in it for the money. He's in it because he actually loves what he's doing. And he was called to do this because he is the Marcus Garvey reincarnated, family. He's the Marcus Garvey reincarnated. And you guys should know that and understand that. And that is that. Yeah, family. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you feel the same way about this comment. If people should say something about what am I asking for donation. Let me know. Let me know, family. Let me know in the comment box below. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica.